Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings, follow these step-by-step instructions to generate passive income from your digital assets. Step 1. Research crypto lending platforms such as BlockFi, Celsius, Nexo, or Gemini Earn that offer interest on deposited cryptocurrencies with competitive rates. Step 2. Compare interest rates across different platforms for the cryptocurrencies you hold. Rates vary by coin and can change based on market conditions. Step 3. Understand the risks including platform security, regulatory changes, and the lack of FDIC insurance protection that traditional bank accounts provide. Step 4. Create an account on your chosen platform by providing your email, creating a secure password, and completing identity verification requirements. Step 5. Transfer your cryptocurrency from your wallet or exchange to the lending platform. Start with a small amount to test the platform before depositing larger sums. Step 6. Navigate to the Earn or Interest section of the platform and select the cryptocurrency you want to earn interest on from your available balance. Step 7. Choose your interest payment option between earning more of the same crypto or receiving interest in a stablecoin or other cryptocurrency. Step 8. Monitor your account regularly to track interest earnings and stay informed about platform updates, rate changes, or new opportunities for higher yields. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.